In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jupyter Notebook for Python. To get started, open Jupyter in your web browser. You should see the Jupyter file browser, which looks like a simple folder view of your working directory. This is where all your projects and files will live, and it's the hub you'll return to as you work. At the top of the page, click the File menu. This menu controls actions like creating, opening, and saving files. Hover your mouse over New to reveal more options. From that submenu, choose Python file. This creates a brand new .py script and opens it in the editor. In Jupyter, a Python file is a plain text script you can edit directly. It's different from a notebook, which has cells, but both live in the same environment, so you can organize them side by side. Once the editor opens, click the title at the top to rename your file to something meaningful. Use short, descriptive names without spaces if possible, so it's easy to find later. In the main editor area, type your Python code. The editor provides syntax highlighting to make your code easier to read. If you're just getting started, you might write a few simple lines to test your environment or draft a small function. Keep an eye on indentation, as it's important in Python. When you're ready to save, go back to the File menu and click Save Python File. Saving often is a good habit, especially as you make changes. If you prefer shortcuts, the standard save keys on your operating system will work the same way. After you save, return to the file browser, and you'll see your new script listed in your folder. That confirms it's stored in your working directory and ready to use, share, or version control. From here, you can keep editing, organize it into project folders, or open it later from the same location. And that's the basic flow. Open Jupyter, create a new Python file, rename it, write your code, save it, and find it in your folder whenever you need it.